I don't want to mess up the throw.
Okay, Tristan, you ready for the firebomb?
Yes. Alright, I'm not going to mess this up.
Yeah, all right, here we are. We're just about to head out onto these rough seas. But we have 2 experienced paddlers and an owl to look out for us. What do you guys say? Any words of encouragement for this trek?
Hopefully the canoe doesn't flip over.
Okay, yeah. It's a little, you went a little negative there, but Eric?
Hopefully we make it.
Wow.
To the portage.
Wow.
Hopefully we make it to the portage.
Okay. All right, we've done one of the portages. We got this much stuff left.
It's not good.
I think.
It might carry itself.
Yeah.
Just completed the 813 meter portage.
Almost broke my ledge.
Light work.
Oh yeah.
There's the spider. Pretty huge, actually. Gotta hold on with 2 hands. I would not want to drop it. There's the falls.
All right, we're here on Sherborne, right?
We're about to embark. The lake's a lot bigger than what you see.
Yeah.
What do you mean? We're staying right there, under that boat. Action shot.
Yeah, you just gotta speed it up. Like, take a video and speed it up.
Oh yeah, it looks like you're going. Okay, how do we want to approach this, Eric? Like to the side? Yeah. Okay. What's chips over here?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good fire you guys got. What's your secret?
Throwing random junk in it.
If you really want a good fire, you could just throw all the hot dogs in.
No.
We would be unimpressed with that.
We have a redemption shot.
Oh
It's another wheel.
I think that's from a birdhouse.
Oh, I got it on.
Yep, that's the whole.
Should we throw a chip on?
No.
We can throw like part of a chip on.
Are you getting hungry, Eric?
Yeah.
Of course I'm paddling back here. Nice cliffs. All right, hopefully this is our lunch spot, right, Eric?
Yeah.
On this nice island here. So how was the lunch, guys? Thumbs up?
Very good.
Keep it going, Eric. And I'm GoProing. We'll be witnessing the final cut through here. No pressure, Eric.
I'm gonna be so close.
We are. Come on.
Wait. Oh!
Wait, actually we still have
we're
quite
not
a
even
bit.
close on that side.
Yeah.
I gotta like rotate it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa.
Ah, nice.
Our prized possession of wood. Now we'll move it to the pile.
Turn it to the left.
Ooh, nice.
Get ready to throw it.
Draw. Just going right away.
Oh, you
Oh, that is so cool.
Go ahead, Tristen.
You can do it, Tristen.
That's cool.
You mean refreshing, right? Refreshing? Kristen, you mean refreshing, right?
That's cold.
It's refreshing.
Okay.
Okay, Tristen, you ready for the firebomb?
Yes. Alright, I'm not gonna mess this up.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh, it's breaking up.
Certainly steaming.
Yep.
Oh my. That looks insane. See what?
That's gonna be roaring.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa.
hasn't even reached the actual stuff yet.
Yeah. Oh, this is not even like burnt on the other side. Oh, now it's
Oh, now it's
almost got
taking
caught.
off.
Here, I'll get the poke.
I gotta poke it more into the fire.
That's huge.
I'm gonna poke the edge of it. Yeah. Oh.
All right, we're going up Sherborne. Here's our crew here. And we're headed to Orley. All right, here we are. Going up to Orley. What do you guys think so far?
Terrible.
Oh, it goes down. It's so scenic portaging through this creek.
It does get a lot better. It looks like a pretty good portage. Let's get out of the muck.
All right, guys, we made it. We're on Orley. What do you guys think of the trek?
It was harsh.
Not good.
No?
No,
It aged you many years.
At
Every
least
time?
took a few days off my lifespan.
Probably a couple years.
It is a pretty lake though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh.
There, let's walk them around. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Whole lake to ourselves.
Here we are on Orley Lake.
All right, here comes Eric emerging from his tent. It's our last day. All right, we're gonna go get the food bag now. So join us on this trek. Caught in a twig.
Hmm. I'm just being the cameraman. What do you mean?
Pardon me?
I'm just being the cameraman.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Alright, now we have food. And now we can take it down. Alright, thanks for joining us.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, bye Eric.
Yep. Bye.
Leave me with this rope, thanks.
You want to take this bag back? Pretty nice campsite. Not much time in the shade, but nice rock to sit on, have a fire on. So it's pretty nice. There's the secret path from one rock to the other. Yeah, we found that hoodie, Sherborne lake on that campsite. Must be someone who just left it in the water, so we adopted it. It's ours now. Mission successful. Now I gotta go back for the second bag. There he is, still tying the rope. Amateur. Go, go, go. Doodaloo. Doodaloo. Da, 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 da. Made it.
Any last words from Orley?
Not really.
What would you rate Orley?
I like Sherborne more,
Yeah, Sherborne's better.
but it's nice.
Yeah, it was good to come up here, but fishing was subpar, I
Yeah,
take it.
it may be a one and done campsite visit here, but that's fine.
7 out of 10.
Eric?
Yeah, give it a 6.7 out of 10.
Oh,
6.
I'd give it an 8.
More precise.
I think it's pretty nice up here.
The lake looks great, and
Yeah.
yeah, the site was comfortable.
Done, Orley! Whoop. Let me hear a whoop whoop, Eric. All right, guys. Well, what do you think of the trip?
Good.
Good?
Good.
What was your favorite part, Eric?
The very few mosquitoes.
Nice. Tristan?
Probably the campfires.
Oh yeah, the fire bombs too.
Fire bombs.
Yeah.
Okay. Derek?
Seeing some of those bass jump.
I think mine was all the loons. That was my favorite, and just the quietness of Sherborne.
Fire bombs were the best though.